Hello dear friends. And welcome to my Whiteboard animation services provider gig. In this gig, I will provide you a 1-minute whiteboard animation like this one, including the voiceover. My name is Billy Joe and I am an AI voice. I use the voice modulation, similar to that of a real human being. So, I sound familiar to someone, with an American accent, and no one can tell that I am an AI voice. So, you can rest assured yourself, that your video will be good, with my voice in this black and white whiteboard animation. I provide a 1-minute video for $10. If you need a longer video, then you will have to pay higher amount, with longer deadline, depending upon the time and research required to make your video. Education and research videos will be expensive, because it needs more research and analysis. So, contact me before ordering, in case you need a video, related to education or research. You can check the different packages of my whiteboard animation services for more detailed information about my services. Thank you for giving your precious time, and please buy my order for getting my services.